Hey Roger, how's it going? This is Dkei from Master Flying Billboards. As promised, this is that video I said I'll be sending to you. So I just want to real quickly run through this and give you 3 tips that you can do today to really optimize that traffic and bring more customers to your business online. So the first thing we're going to talk about is content. Secondly, it's going to be citations. And then we're going to talk about some backlinks. And hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have enough knowledge to go ahead and implement this process yourself and overtake your competitors. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm going to try to review this as thoroughly as possible. So, as I spoke about in the beginning, we want to talk about content. So, content is basically anything that you see on your front page. As far as text, right? Let's see if I can copy this actually. Text, right? All of this text. Images, just see this logo. What this image may be saved as, and it should be saved as that. It should be saved as a keyword, right? We're going to get into keywords as well. So, text, images, what those images are saved as, any videos if you have any videos are saved as. And you have a beautiful site. I wouldn't change anything too much about it. I just go ahead and add some more text into this website. Right? I'll be very descriptive about my business, about where is it that I do it, and what services do I actually provide. So on a phone call, we spoke about HVAC. You expressed to me HVAC, and you focus mainly on HVAC, right? So this is software I like to use called Ahrefs. And actually, before I move on, I'm sorry. So, like I said, let me just tell you that Google wants to see about 1,500 keywords of content on your front page. So, I copied your front page and I put you guys into this word count. You see that you guys have, actually, let's find out how much you have now. Wow, right? And I'm always amazed at this. So, you have a lot of content on your front page. But from a visual standpoint, you can't see it, right? So, that leads me to believe that this is all reviews. And that's excellent. You can keep them reviews there. That's beautiful, because it's going to add some more value to you. It's going to that a lot of content is going to be good. But what we want to go in and do, add some more descriptive buyer intent content, along with keywords, which we're going to get into shortly. So, like I said, content, you just want to have a good description about this, good description about this, right here. Everything that you do, and within this content, you want to have keywords, right? So before we go into this software, an example of a keyword would be if we used to type into Google, AC repair, Newark, New Jersey, right? Wouldn't someone be searching for a term like that if they were searching for services like yours? So they type in AC repair, Newark, New Jersey. If they don't know about your business, they're not typing Casey Mechanical Services. If they're not typing that in, and they don't know about you, they're typing in something, they don't know any business, they're just looking for a business in general, they're going to type in AC repair, Newark, New Jersey. Or something similar to that, right? And as you can see, there's some sections here that pop up, and this is the organic section. So obviously, being in one of these sections here, you're going to wield a lot of results, right? So, and on the side, you may see here, these are different search terms that people are searching for as well. HVAC, Newark, New Jersey. So it's a lot, right? But we're focusing on this one. See, these guys are coming up for this search. Your competitors, RonJon, Heating and Cooling. So this is a software I like to use called Ahrefs, right? And then this software gives me the back end of a page. And it shows me organic keywords that you guys are ranking for here. It shows me the amount of traffic you guys are getting and the amount of backlinks you guys have, which are all vital, important ranking factors. So what we're able to go in here and do is see what organic keywords you guys are ranking for. And we see that you guys are ranking for Diligent Mechanical Services, Casey Services HVAC, which is your brand, right? This is your company. Central Jersey Mechanical, Casey Heating and Cooling. These two, this and this, I will focus on seriously. Alright? The reason why I will focus on this is because you guys are getting 20 searches for this. So people are looking for you. And you guys are getting 50 searches for this. Right? And you're in the 48th position. So let's do a case study here, right? And we're going to put you guys in Google. And we're going to see if you come up on the first page. And that's your brand. You want to be found for that. Right? So, wow. I actually, this is you guys actually right here in this map pack. Very good. I believe that's you guys. Let's check the number actually. 207. Very good. So excellent. Being in this map pack means a ton, a lot, right? Let's see where you guys are at here. Services, HVAC, services. Is this you guys? No, that's not you guys, right? So you want to get found for that, right? Okay, boom, boom, boom. So I'm telling you right now, I'm telling you right now. So this is very, very good, though. You guys are in this section here. This section gets a lot of results. I imagine that you guys should be getting some traffic for that. I don't know why them guys are not picking on your website if they're not coming to find you. So, but most importantly, you guys want to get found in this section here, right? This is the organic section. So, obviously, these are one of your competitors, and we put them into this software I have called Ahrefs, right? And you see that this is a back page because this is not their actual page. This is just their back page that they're ranking for HVAC repair, Newark, New Jersey, right? And they also ranking for, okay, I have to go back. But these are similar key terms that these guys are ranking for. So this back page, these guys are getting 22 searches per month to their page, and they're using 11 organic keywords. Now, if we come in and we see what keywords they're ranking for furnace repair Newark, HVAC Newark, Newark furnace repair, Newark AC repair, HVAC repair New Jersey. This gets 30 searches a month. This gets 30 searches alone a month. This gets 30 searches alone a month. 40 searches, 50 searches, and they have some more over here, right? So automatic, I'm seeing 30, 60, 90, 130. 130 searches, right here, 180. 180 searches a month, right? We wouldn't actually use this one, though. But these ones we'll use. And then the first position, second position, first position. This tells her how easy it's going to be easy to rank for. So if you start using these keywords on your page, you're going to start ranking for them. So that's what you want to do. You want to go get that content, and we're going to go get them keywords. This is how you're going to get found in Google, and you're going to start seeing a lot more traffic to your page. You're going to start beating them guys out. It's going to be very easy to go in there and beat them. You want to just have those buy-ins and keywords. You're going to have that content. You're going to start getting that traffic. All right. Secondly, citations real quickly because I see we're running short on time. Right. Citations is exactly what we found here. Right. Citations is exactly what we found here. Citations is responsible for this section. So we do a brand search. You guys come up first in citations. So actually, what you want to go in here even more, you guys are first. I'm happy to see that. You just want to optimize this some more, right? You don't have any photos. You want to get them photos because this is what's going to give it this description. Like, you have to do these things. Might probably some more reviews, and you want to optimize this description. You actually guys don't have no description. So that's GMB optimization. It's okay if you want to be in a map pack, but you're going to have to optimize that. Citations are basically anything that your name, address, phone number, or your business credentials are listed throughout the internet on different directories such as Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Angie's List. Not Angie's. Well, Angie's List is one of them as well. I don't like to mention Angie's. A lot of people use Angie for different services. Facebook is one of them as well. There are hundreds of them. There are many more. Software I use that to go get those citations is a software called whitespark.ca. So you want to look into that software and compare your competitors, these guys, and see how much they have, and you want to go get them citations as well. You're going to rank in that section. You're going to be optimized for that section, right? When people type this in and you optimize it with keywords, you're going to get found in here, and not these guys, right? You're going to beat them out. I'm telling you, guaranteed, right? And that's how we're going to come beat them out. Not just alone with keywords. You're going to come beat them out with this, right? This is referring domains. This is backlinks. This is what you need to pass that power. You see these guys are getting no power. Look, you guys are close to them, right? So you want to come beat them out totally in that. A way I go about get these backlinks is a software called majestic.com. Now, what basically backlinks are other websites that's pointing back to your website that passes it power. This is not enough backlinks, and actually, trust me, this is nowhere near enough backlinks. You're going to come beat these guys out with ease if you implement this process, and I'm telling you. Use these keywords, content on your front page, all right? Backlinks, go get them citations, pieces to the puzzle. You're going to start getting a lot of traffic. This is nothing. All right, brother, take care. If you got any questions, contact me. Take care. You can use this process for yourself. Thank you.